Hello. It was indeed a wet night across parts of Wales and the southwest. Exmoor, Brecon Beacons, close to 100 millimetres of rain. That rain is now clearing, but it's staying damp across some southern counties of England. In fact, the rainfall peps up. It turns more showery into central southern England by the afternoon, pushing into East Anglia and the southeast. Some lively rain here and gusty winds accompanying it. Further showers into the northwest and some longer spells of rain for parts of Northern Ireland and central Scotland. Some mountain snow here as well. All of this accompanied by a strong wind coming up from the southwest, bringing mild air to England and Wales, 12 or 13 Celsius. Colder conditions, though, pushing into Scotland and Northern Ireland, 8 or 9 generally, but colder than that across central and northern Scotland. The wind then strengthens further heading into the afternoon and evening. Here it is during the daytime on Thursday, this low pressure intensifying, and then you can see the gales developing around the middle of the afternoon for Northern Ireland. Peak winds around rush hour, 60 mile an hour gusts inland, 70 around coast, and then that wind pushing into North Wales and northern England by the evening. Again, 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts, a risk for some exposed coasts and hills. The wind bouncing over the Pennines, and there'll be some strong wind just downwind of the Pennines as well for parts of northeast England for a few hours later in the evening. It'll be a blustery night wherever you are, though, and that wind bringing further showers into the north and the west. Some longer spells of rain for a time for Northern Ireland, much of Scotland, and then later for northern England. Some of that rain heavy, and it's certainly going to be noisy out there through the night with the strong wind and heavy rainfall. Fewer showers towards the southeast, and by the end of the night it's scattered showers generally, a lot of cloud, and with the breeze it is going to be frost-free. 3 or 4 Celsius in the north, 6 or 7 as we start things in the south. Having said that, actually, it's going to be a fresh start in the south compared with the recent mornings. Some sunshine out there, but further blustery showers coming through for many places during the morning. As you can see, however, the showers increasingly become confined to the north and the west, a few more continuing for Cornwall and Devon, and some showers continuing into the Midlands, Northern England, Western Scotland and Northern Ireland during the afternoon. But otherwise, brighter skies emerging, less windy by the afternoon, and temperatures reaching 9 or 10 Celsius in the south, 5 to 7 further north. By the afternoon, though, the wind and the rain starting to appear once again into Ireland. This spell of wet weather then arriving in for the rush hour for Northern Ireland, the wind strengthening once again, and then it turns wet across western parts of the UK into the evening on Friday. This wet and increasingly windy weather associated with a series of weather fronts arriving for the start of the weekend. Low pressure deepening to the northwest once again, and it's certainly going to be a wet and windy start to Saturday with gales around exposed coasts. That pushes through, followed by numerous showers later Saturday and into Sunday, but by this stage the winds are changing direction, north to northwesterlies, bringing colder conditions countrywide by Sunday, and cold enough in some places for some wintry weather. So it's going to be showers. They'll be hit and miss, as is always the case on Sunday and into Monday. But some of these showers, given the cold air, will be falling as sleet and snow, mainly but not exclusively over northern hills. We'll keep you updated on all of that. Lots of weather happening at the moment. And of course, you can follow those updates on social media.